Nowadays, robotics automation process plays a big role in modern industry, which replaces some human power with faster and more accurate results. Hence, gives more productivity, money saving, and reduced time consumption. There are many vendors who create solutions for helping that task. UiPath is one of the top companies which were mentioned by a lot of netizens in leading the technology. So, how could they create those bots and manage them efficiently? In order to solve the problem, UiPath has been building a tool which has ability to monitor and control both tasks and robots, called as UiPath Orchestrator. Sounds so good, but it has its downside. The UiPath Orchestrator is pricey and hard to use sometimes. Hi, I'm Tom from Tower Consulting. Today I'm gonna show you about the alternative solution which is very comparative and much more easier to use with additional tools compared to our original. Let's take a glance by now. And as you can see, here is the application and I'm gonna log in. The application is born for the very first purpose is to let the user use it in ease, which combines some live trustful data insight and database management tool. Moreover, the application is built following the standard process of RPA that we created, and even help the developing tasks and managing processes faster. That's why it has the three tabs with specified name on the top bar, as you can see here, here, and here. Believe it or not, let's go to the dashboard. Yep. At first sight, we can easily see those colorful graphs which aim to data inside. The two donut charts will update lively whenever there has changes with robot activities. The one on the left shows the percentage of robot jobs which come with success, and the right one will show things with unsuccess. Above the charts, there is a bar that indicates what the current job is and the total jobs of each robot. We also added some color to make it colorful and can't be mistaken with each column. On the right of the screen, there is a funnel chart which demonstrates the top 5 robots that mostly run before. Let's go to the next step, libraries. Here, we can store and edit the robot credential and other information like directory address, shortcut, etc. It can also be called as a dictionary. On the bottom bar, there are some icons for editing stuff, and all the info can be printable with the print button. Now, let's take a look at it. This is the new button. And we have the save and close, save and new. It's the basic just like in Microsoft Office. We can also edit stuff and delete it as well. The refresh button is for reload the data from the database. And finally the print. It can also export it into PDF, HTML, docx, many popular types. Now we move on the three tabs that I mentioned. With our experience in many years developing and maintaining for the customers, in result, we have created everything in 3 robot operations. Before doing the experience, I will tell you about 3 types of robots that we created. Robot check file is an attended robot which has human impact. When the user places the file in a specified folder, The robot will check each file and execute it. The next one is robot schedule. It is an attended robot which has no impact from humans. And this robot executes its mission at the present time. And finally, robot get mail. It is a form of robot with human impact. This robot undertakes to check mail regularly to receive request data from the user and then execute it. And you can see we can also make a new robot easily, even edit, delete, or print the robot information, just like before. Let's start the experiment. Now I'm gonna delete this robot and create the same thing. Now I'm gonna put a file into the folder. The robot will check the folder, the column directory folder. Now let's get back to the dashboard. As you can see, the robot we created before is just running. The task was proceeded successfully. On the robot log and robot log error tab, we did implement database management tool which make it easier for developers and managers can monitor and even export for printing database file types. With these two tabs, I'm sure you won't go back to your previous database ID anymore because it's much more convenient than the other tool. Yeah, you can sort here, filter. So we did successful in the last robot we created. With the two tags, user management and authorizations used to administer user as well as allocate to write and rows for the user. Before, I was about logging into the application with the account admin, and here we can also manage the password and the authorization is for this. In summary, we can see that even normal users can use it to control the robot without any coding experience. Developers can also use it for database management, either the managers. For the next version, we will bring it to the cloud, including more data science components, which can help your business with data insights. Also better database management with faster response. Hope that you will like it. For more information, please contact us at info@fileconsulting.com. Let's get to work and start transforming your business with impactful automation. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.